suited with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey's Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at...
This cat.
The cardinal up there.
Oh, yeah.
Cupcake. Screening.
We send the bumblebees through our screening machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and physical. Buying bees from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
We're being roasted. No, it's crazy how they just throw them against some machine to get the thing, to make them thing. They just throw them against them.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
Hey everyone, below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into...
Hi everyone. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk.
Okay. Oh, the sugar.
Make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweet milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate begins. flavor the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During sampling, you can mix it with ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a funky conveyor. Then we send them over through can cups that solidify the chocolate.
Yeah. Chocolate.
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
She looks like Jodie Foster. Doesn't she?
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
My Hershey's Milk Chocolate, special dog farms. Hey, don't forget about Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. My personal favorite.
The kiss depositor.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
What's the world? A few have fallen off. A few have fallen off. I think some of them are. At least it was a real packaging. Pittsburgh, San Francisco, Las Vegas, New York. Well, that's confusing. The box says Hershey's, but the candy that was put into it is Jolly Rancher. They're all like that.
Now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World.